Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT Note 9, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your notifications, extend it, and navigate to settings. From here, look for a category called storage. Scroll down and you'll find the SD card. Once you click on it, you can choose what you want to use to open it up. I'll be utilizing Files by Google. From here, tap on the three dots, go to Storage Settings, where you'll find Format option. When you press on it, it will give you a message that formatting your SD card will result in you losing everything that is on it. So if you keep on your card anything that you would like to keep, do make a backup copy of it before you begin. Otherwise, it will be obviously lost permanently. Now, I don't have anything on this card that I would like to preserve, so I'm just gonna go straight to it by selecting Format SD card. This will begin a process which only takes a couple seconds to finish up. Should be right about done. There we go. So click on done and that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.